What's up guys, I'm Mehdi from Philly channel and today I'm taking you to a popular local park in Narmek neighborhood that is called Fadak Park in 8th district of Tehran city. Fadak Park built in 1966 and nowadays it hosts many people in afternoon because of its good entertainment services such as playground for children, swimming pool, volleyball court and ping pong tables that attracts many parents and young people for sports. Fadak Park is a good choice for spending good times in a local neighborhood, and the easiest way to get to this park is using subway line 2 and getting off on Fadak station. If you like this kind of videos, subscribe and turn on the bell to be notified for more videos of Tehran and Iran sites. Comment me if you had any questions and thanks for staying with me.